Hello guys, today the first thing, I'm sorry, yesterday I was sick, ayer estaba un poquito enfermo. Today I'm trying to do the work, hoy ya me siento un poquito mejor, estoy tratando de trabajar, así que pues bueno, si mi voz se escucha un poquito rara, pues well, it's because of that, I'm still a little bit sick, okay? Well, let's go. We work with the page number 110, ahí está la página, 110, ahí se ve. Okay, and the first thing we are going to watch a video, and we have to cross two activities Sarah doesn't do. Dos cosas que Sara no hace, okay? We have to cross, Natacha. Entonces, let's watch the video. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go.
Hooray! It's activity club today. Great! What activities do you do, Alexander? I climb and I run in the morning. What do you do, Sarah? I don't climb.
I don't climb. Ahí está una.
And I don't run.
I don't run.
I hop. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We play soccer in the afternoon. Goal! Then we play music. Stop! Then I paint. I don't paint. I draw. Look, it's Polly. Then we sing and we dance. And then we read. I like this book. Alexander, what do we do in the evening? We go home in the evening. Goodbye.
Okay. That's it. Ahí está. Ya podemos contestar nuestra actividad. Ok. Y nos queda de la siguiente forma. 1, 2, and 3. Run and climb. Ella dijo, I don't climb. I don't run. Okay. That's the first activity. Now, number 2. Listen and circle, then match. Vamos a escuchar 1, 2, 3, and 4. ¿Qué es lo que nos dicen? Ride a bike, don't ride a bike. Y luego vamos a unirlas con la figura que deben de ir, ¿ok? You paint or you don't paint. We play music or we don't play music. They swim or they don't swim. Allá va. Let's listen.
1. What activities do you do?
I don't ride a bike.
2.
You paint.
3.
We play music.
4.
They don't swim.
Ok, ya las tienen ahí. Ustedes van a elegir y van a unir cómo se les pide. And at the end, read and check. Ok, check si dicen que pueden hacer esa actividad o cross la actividad que están diciendo que no. Por ejemplo, dice I dance, but I don't sing. Entonces, ¿qué le van a poner? Check mark o cross. Y así cada una tiene 2 options, tiene 2 opciones, así que vamos a completarlas, ¿ok? After this, Después de esto estuvimos practicando nuestros números, the numbers, doing addition, sumas. Así que pues bueno, hay que estar muy pendientes de esto y hay que practicar esos numeritos. Bueno, ahora sí, nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye, bye.